Okay, so today, students will be able to determine the slope and calculate the rate of change, also identify key features of linear functions. You worked on slope yesterday, so we're going to continue that again today. So a linear function, anything that has a straight line is a linear function, okay? Straight line means linear function. Linear parent function is y equals x. That means before we do anything to it, is y equals x. Go straight through the middle. Okay, so your slope, which what you're doing again is rise over run, or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, you're really going to need this formula today. I would write it down and keep it on your paper because you're really going to need that today. Y-intercept is where the line crosses through the y-axis. The x-intercept is where the line crosses through the x-axis. Positive slope, when you're reading it like a book, it's going up, okay? Negative slope, when you're reading like a book, it's going down. A zero slope is always, a horizontal slope is always 0. A vertical slope is always undefined. So then we have standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. Then there's slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. And point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. We're mainly focusing on slope-intercept form right now. Parallel lines always have the same slope. They never ever touch each other and have the same slope. Perpendicular lines have slopes that are opposite reciprocal. So this slope is 2 and this one is negative 1/2. 2 is technically 2 over 1, so the opposite reciprocal would be negative 1 over 2. Okay, so now slope-intercept form, remember, is y equals mx plus b. M is your slope, b is your y-intercept. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the worksheet. I'm still here. I'm just trying to, there we go. We're going to the worksheet. Okay, so this is what you're working on today. You need to find the slope of every single thing here. Okay, that's what you're doing. The instructions say for the first 6 exercises, find the slope of the line AB. For the remaining exercises, find the slope of a line that passes through the 2 given points. Cross out each box in the rectangle below that contains a correct answer. When you finish, print the letters from the remaining boxes in the spaces at the bottom of the page. So what you're doing is, let's just say, because I don't know, let's say 5 was IG. You're going to cross out IG, okay? Whatever letters you're left with after you cross out all the right answers, you're going to fill those letters in here in order and see what it says, okay? So good luck. When you finish, bring it to me to check. Be sure to have all of your work. If you do not have your work, you will not receive credit. You must have all of your work, every bit of it, and it must make sense.